Good morning, boys and girls. Today I'm going to be talking about lesson 7.5. Now, if you look up here in the corner at our I can statements, it says there are 3 of them. I can figure out different answers to expressions when given the value for the variable. So we're going to be evaluating these algebraic expressions and a formula today. Okay, part 2 says I can solve real-world math problems involving expressions that arise from formulas, and I can solve math problems, including those with exponents, in the correct order. All of this is very key, very, very key to what we need to learn as 6th graders. These are key learning. All right, so our notes today are going to be right here also. It says you can solve an algebraic expression using this word here, substitution. This means if I give you the value of a variable, you can solve it. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example here. All right, so we're going to take something quite simple like m plus 2m plus 3. I'm going to take m plus 2m plus 3. Okay, now what if I tell you that 3 is I'm going to say that 4, watch up here in the corner, for m is going to equal, let's say, 4. Okay, you might also see the word when m equals 4. Okay, check out for those words right here. They're really key. All right, so if I have this, I'm going to do this thing called substitution. Are you ready? Okay, so I'm going to substitute. So instead of the m, I'm going to put in the 4. So I have 4 plus 2. Now it's going to be times m plus m. I'm sorry, that m is going to be a 4. Got so excited. Okay, that's a 4 plus 3. So when I'm going to substitute, I'm literally going to take that and put it in the place wherever m is. And then I follow the order of operations. Okay, are you ready? So then I do this first because this is multiply. That's an 8. Then bring down what I haven't used. Following the order of operations. Now this is all adding and subtracting, so I can just add left to right. So that's 12, 13, 14, 15. So my answer, I can evaluate or solve a problem, okay? It says evaluate, okay? If I can substitute for something like this. So you're going to replace the variable, then you're going to follow the order of operations. Okay, are y'all following me so far? I have to erase this and talk kind of fast. The other part of this standard is you have to be able to evaluate a formula. So now, a formula is this. A formula is an equations or rules to solve a problem. You can use substitution to solve these as well. So I'm going to take the formula for area, which is area is equal to length times width. So let me put this up here for a moment. And real quickly, let's go through a problem of area. Let's say I want to find out that I need new carpet in my living room. Okay, my new living room is the length is 20 feet. Okay, and the width of my living room is 12 feet. Oops, that's a bad 12. All right, that's supposed to be a 12, okay? All right, so to solve this, I'm just going to apply the formula. To find the area, it's going to be equal to the length times the width. Okay, it's just a formula. This is the way we find area, and you've learned that in 5th grade. So I have 20 is my length. I'm going to take that times 12. Okay, it's going to equal the area. Okay, so I'm going to put the 12 on the top and the 20 down here. Simply, you could change the order because now I can have a row of zeros, and then I have one more row of zeros, and I have a 4 and a 2. Okay, so that tells me that 20 times 4 is 240. Okay, that's the area. So 20 times 12 is equal to 240. So the area is 240 feet squared because area has to be squared. All right, boys and girls, we did a lot today. All right, we did solve some expressions, some algebraic expressions using substitution.